Come in. Wait. I'm giving you the keynote case.
Come on, boss. I like the Arbacor case or like the Mollusca case.
Now, Wayne, the best fit for this job. Our main suspect is in the interrogation room. Get the truth out of him. We need help identifying the species. And then you're good.
Alright, boss. Thank you.
Okay.
Did you say your name and occupation?
Leonard Danielson, marine biologist.
Alright, you're here today because you're a prime suspect and a prime witness in this case. You saw the attacker?
Yeah, I mean, I told this to all the officer outside. I don't know why you guys aren't doing anything.
Yeah, so no, but now we have suspects, and your input as a marine biologist would be essential in identifying the species. So, could you describe some basic characteristics of the phylum as a whole?
I mean, what do you want to know? You know, they're radially symmetrical. They have an organ level organization, which means digestive system, circulatory system. What else? I mean, they're not segmented as well. Some organs, like digestive glands and gonads, they repeat throughout the different 5 limbs. What else? Digestive system. Echinoderms have a simple or I guess complete digestive system.
Meaning like a mouth, a stomach, intestines, and an anus, right?
Exactly. Is there anything else you need?
Yeah, can you give me the specifics on the nervous system, respiration, and reproduction?
Their nervous system, I mean, it's nothing, literally. I mean, they don't have a brain, which is kind of crazy because I don't get why police officers can't catch him if he doesn't have a brain.
Oh, sir, I need you to calm down. They view us as predators, so they avoid authorities with their camouflage and their ability to regenerate limbs.
I know. The respiration system consists of water circulation through simple diffusion, which gives oxygen to the skin gills in each of the 5 different limbs.
Interesting. I heard that the locomotion is quite peculiar for this case, is that correct?
Yeah, I mean, sea stars are really slow because they use their 2 feet and water circulation to create suction to the ground, which also brings up the question again, if they're so slow, why haven't you caught them?
What about reproduction? Could you tell me how that works?
Yeah, I mean, sea stars aren't like you or me, right? They're broadcast swimmers, which means they're gonna release their eggs and sperm out into the ocean in hopes they come together and start fertilization. I mean, it's not as common, I guess, but some do asexually reproduce.
Asexually? Could you tell me how that works?
Yeah, I mean, one of the sea stars' really unique features is they'll drop off their limbs and regenerate, kind of creating a whole different sea star in a sense.
Any other unique features?
I mean, Not really. Sea stars are a little bit boring. They have their mouth on the bottom of their body. If that's something.
Okay. These are all mugshots of the possible suspects for this case. Do any of these stick out to you, or are they more dangerous? Do they have more predators?
I mean, they're all different, but yeah, they're all echinoderms, that's for sure. I didn't really get a good look at him because he was leaving as I came in, but I think he was a sea star, almost 100%.
All right, perfect, thank you. From what I understood about what you're saying, it's not this one, or it's not this one, because you were describing 5 appendages, and though these are radially symmetrical, they don't have the 5 appendages, so I'm gonna get rid of these. And that brings us down to 3 suspects. Do you have any other identifying features?
Yeah. This one you may think has 5 appendages, but it really doesn't. So that one's not.
I understand. I kept this one because of the formation in the center. That brings us down to 2. Before we get down to 1, this might be a tough question. One of these starfish killed your wife. Do you have any idea why?
One of these starfish had previous relations with my wife.
You are never home.
Sorry I have to provide for this family.
Well, if you weren't always at work, I wouldn't have needed him.
Who is it? Who is it? A sea star? Honey, I'm home. Honey? Honey? Honey?
No!
It's this one. All right, thank you. I have all the information I need. You're free to go.
Alright.
It happened to survive with bony skin, camouflage, generating limbs. Sea star's outer body contains non-stick material with the ability to treat inflammatory human diseases such as arthritis and teeth. Humans have destroyed their water sources and their habitats, lowering their population. They're not dangerous to humans in any way. What is the path that food takes through digestion in a sea star, and how do starfish get away from predators?
Stay back! Yes, my
You're coming with me.